age test.
A dog's body.
Hey you guys, here's a quick look at what I spent since I got paid. My grocery.
Welcome to Aries season, the official start of the energetic new year.
Off the ground, he was eating chicken off the ground. I was like, this is why you unhealthy. But turns
This
out
is
it was just
Samson.
Let's transform your self-doubt and self-sabotage in less than a minute.
If you're not willing to fail, you're not willing to succeed. This is the worst way for me to start my day, is to get on social media and start scrolling. Instagram, it hooks me in, and I say I'm just going to check really quickly, and then before I know it, like 30 minutes have gone by, and it just makes me feel like crap. I'm in a funk. I'm gonna get myself out. I would say my place is in decent shape right now, my home. I didn't want to make a video because I've been so negative, and I hate to be negative, but here I am because it's real life. Like, life is not always up, up, up. There's ups, there's downs, there's middle grounds. I'm just happen to be in a little bit of a down spot. I'm gonna do all the things I haven't been doing and all the things I don't want to do. And I'm gonna start by getting out of bed. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna delete Instagram from my phone for today. Delete. Okay, that's good. You just like compulsively check apps. The apps I compulsively check are Instagram, YouTube Studio, which is where I can log in and see your guys' comments. Thank you for all your lovely comments. That one actually makes me smile. I also check mail, dating apps, and then I go back to Instagram and do the whole thing over again. It's madness. It's insanity, I tell ya. I'm gonna drink a glass of water, make a cup of coffee. I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna buy myself some flowers because that always makes me feel good. And it incentivizes me to clean off a countertop, like my coffee table most likely, so that I can have the flowers out and they'll look pretty and make me smile. Too many days alone. It's not good. It's not good for me when I'm in a funk. I gotta move. 7:47 a.m. Let's do this. I did get a pedicure earlier this week. Good morning, sir. Your hair.
Good morning, sunshine. You little angel. You little angel. How are you feeling today?
I think it's normal to go through these little spells and periods, sometimes sparked by something and sometimes it just comes out of the blue. I try to find things to do or to tell myself to buoy my spirits. I just have a lot to be thankful for, but it's not like I have to gratitude shame myself out of feeling bad, you know? It's like I'm allowed to have bad feelings. I can be grateful and be in a funk, you know? I can have both. Vitamin, fish oil, turmeric, daily pill. All right, ready for food time.
This doggy ready to eat.
Hold on. Hey. Chill, dude. Hey. I'm gonna do another one. Step 1, hydrate. Now what? Let's go to the store. Dude, you need to slow down. I like these. Thank you, too. Flowers secured. Oh, and the sun is out.
often compound our desire for it. The shape that I want to create, the health that I want to create. Although if you have a thought like that, weekend I came out of anesthesia and I was really nauseous because I hadn't eaten in, like
Okay, I'm gonna take a shower. It's been a few days. I'm gonna use my favorite body washes. You know what I like to do? I like to take 2 different body washes and mix them together. This one, Dead Sea Rose Petal Body Wash, Bathing Culture Mind and Body Wash. They sell this at like health food stores. It's really an interesting smell, but I love it. Combining these two. Showered. Now I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna scrub the floors today too. Scrub the lips. And then I use ice cold water. Deep cleaning my face. Spring cleaning my face. Gotta get the neck. I've always had these necklines. Yeah, I'm gonna start working out so the shoulders can be like up here. Is that what happens when you work out? Do they get up here? Or does this get built? I don't need that built. I want like this. Washed, toned. Let's do a serum. Let me brush my teeth first. This is my toothbrush. It's manual. That's my impression of an influencer. In case you didn't know. Teeth have been brushed. Face has been washed. Cleaning is therapeutic. Cleaning your house, cleaning your face. Serum. Use your good lotion. Let's pick out some clothes. Oh, this outfit is going to be ridiculous. Pearl earrings? Maybe. Put on my clothes. I'm going to put on a little, not makeup. I'm going to do a moisturizer. I don't know how people do complex things like shadows and contouring. A little. Just line the outside. I could put on lashes if I really wanted to feel special. This is the Lashify dupe, but even better because you don't have to use any lash glue. So you just put it under instead of on top of the lash. Just like that. See how I just placed it and it sticks to your lash. Makeup done. I'm gonna just brush and curl my hair. Just adding this little bang here. These are extensions. Don't try this at home. Don't ever cut bangs when you're not in a good place. Yeah, I want 80s rocker hair. Big hair. I want as big as it can get. Yeah, I like it actually. I actually like it. I just wanted big curly hair. I wanted it and I got it. There are things you can control. So I'm wearing these patterned pants with this shirt. I think this is just such a cute outfit. It makes me smile, you know? Flowers together to put on the coffee table now that it's been cleaned off. Kind of lilac purple color. Pink face. I thought that might be a good color combo. I could just do like a white. No, I just want to cut the stems at an angle. Ideally, I think under running water actually, but. Oh, so pretty. I think I want to switch the vase.
on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party. If my highs are highs, my lows are low. Need to blow off some steam to get back up. I'm not someone you should cheat on, 'cause when I come back strong. Raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. Yeah, I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party. I'm gonna drink all night and then I'm gonna let the tears fall down. I'm gonna dance all night.